morning students, welcome back to our channel Softline Institute. So how are you all? तो आज की इस क्लास में हम बात करेंगे व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन 5G एंड 6G। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। 5G वर्सेस Wi-Fi 6, the next generation connectivity battle. So welcome to our deep dive into the world of next generation wireless connectivity. In this presentation, we will unpack the critical differences, unique benefits and promising futures of 5G and Wi-Fi 6. These two technologies are at the forefront of wireless innovation, each designed to address distinct connectivity needs while collectively shaping the future of how we connect and interact with the digital world. Join us, we are exploring the individual strength and how they are set to revolutionize. So let's understand what is 5G. Global standard 5G or the fifth generation of, you can say, cellular technology is defined by the 3GPP and has seen its standards released in phases since 2017. It promises to deliver ultra-fast mobile internet with unprecedented reliability. Diverse use case. Its capabilities are categorized into three primary use cases: enhanced mobile broadband (eMBB) for high-speed data, massive machine-type communications (MMTC) for vast IoT deployments, and ultra-reliable low-latency communication (URLLC) for critical applications. High-frequency operation. Operating on higher frequencies, including millimeter wave, mm wave, 5G archives, achieves theoretical peak speed up to 10 Gbps. In real-world scenarios, users can expect speed typically ranging from 100 to 400 Mbps, but it is offering about 10 Gbps. Understanding Wi-Fi 6 को अगर हम समझें, IEEE standard Wi-Fi 6, officially known as 802.11ax, is the latest Wi-Fi standard finalized in 2019, building upon the well-established IEEE 802.11 series. It's engineered to improve network performance in dense environment. OFDMA for efficiency. One of its core innovation, its orthogonal frequency division multiple access, which significantly enhances network efficiency by allowing multiple devices to transmit data concurrently, optimizing bandwidth utilization. Target wake time. Wi-Fi 6 also introduces target wake time, a feature designed to conserve battery life in IoT devices. It allows devices to negotiate when and how often they will wake up to send or receive data, minimizing power consumption. Speed performance. While its theoretical peak speed can reach up to 9.6 Gbps, real-world speeds typically range from 500 Mbps to 1 Gbps. This makes Wi-Fi 6 ideal for high bandwidth and application and improving overall network responsiveness with the local areas. So what are the key differences? Speed and bandwidth. 5G connectivity. 5G is engineered for wider coverage areas, often extended across vast outdoor spaces, offering pervasive mobile internet. While its per user speeds might be lower than Wi-Fi 6 in very localized indoor settings, and its strength lies in its expansive reach and consistent performance across diverse environments. But in Wi-Fi 6, and in contrast, Wi-Fi 6 excels within limited areas, primarily indoors, where it can be delivered significantly higher speeds. It leverages unlicensed 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, making it accessible for home and office networks without needing specific spectrum licenses. Wi-Fi 6 can utilize wider channels up to 160 MHz to achieve its impressive localized speeds. Key differences: latency and reliability. 5G is latency and Wi-Fi 6 latency. 5G is specifically designed for ultra low latency, targeting a theoretical 1 ms for ultra reliable low latency communications applications. This makes it indispensable for mission critical operations where instantaneous response is a paramount, such as autonomous vehicles, remote surgery and industrial automation. Its dedicated spectrum and robust architecture contribute to its high reliability. While not designed for the extreme low latency of 5G, Wi-Fi 6 offers significant improvements over previous Wi-Fi generation. Typically, latency for Wi-Fi 6 is the range of 5 to 10 ms, which is excellent for general internet access and high definition streaming. Key differences: security and congestion. 5G security. 5G networks boast inherent security advantages due to their design line, which includes reverse SIM-based authentication and advanced encryption protocols. This provides a highly secure foundation of mobile communication crucial for sensitive data and critical infrastructure. Wi-Fi 6 security. Wi-Fi 6 significantly elevates local network security with the adoption of WPA encryption as its standard. WPA3 offers stronger protection against brute force attackers and improves privacy. 5G congestion, Wi-Fi 6 congestion similar. अच्छा, अब हम बात करते हैं कि 5G के बेनिफिट्स क्या है. तो मोबाइल की ब्रॉडबैंड को बढ़ा दिया, मैसिव मशीन टाइप कम्युनिकेशन है, अल्ट्रा रिलायबल लो लेटेंसी कम्युनिकेशन. So 5G delivers truly high-speed internet to mobile devices, enabling seamless streamlining of 4K content. With its capacity to connect an enormous number of devices simultaneously, 5G is foundational for widespread IoT deployments. Ultra-low latency of 5G is a game changer for critical applications and enables the responsiveness needed for the autonomous vehicle. और Wi-Fi 6 के benefits हैं, enhanced security देता है with WPA encryption. Wi-Fi 6 provides robust protection for your network, making it significantly harder for unauthorized access and cyber threats to compromise your data. Improved battery life, increased network efficiency. 5G is smart factories, remote healthcare, autonomous vehicles, enhanced augmented reality, virtual reality, public safety, smart utilities में use हो रहा है. Version 5G ultra wideband and deployment in NFL stadiums, delivering speeds up to 25 times faster for fans to stream and share. और Wi-Fi 6 जो है वो smart homes, high density public Wi-Fi, wireless office environments, 4K 8K video streaming, ऑनलाइन गेमिंग, वर्चुअल क्लासरूम्स में यूज़ हो रहा है. सिस्को Wi-Fi 6 डिप्लॉयमेंट इन Mercedes-Benz स्टेडियम, enhancing connectivity for thousands of simultaneous users and complex operations. So as a conclusion, convergence, the future of connectivity will see increased convergence between 5G and Wi-Fi 6, particularly in enterprise networks where seamless transitions between cellular and local wireless will be critical for efficiency with user experience, crucial together. So ultimately, both 5G and Wi-Fi 6 are not competitor but complementary technologies, each crucial for shaping the future connectivity landscape. 5G handles expensive outdoor mobility and critical enterprise use cases, while Wi-Fi 6 optimizes indoor high-intensity environments. 5G evolution will continue to evolve the broader adoption of mmWave for extreme speeds, the proliferation of private 5G networks for dedicated industrial use, and the integration of edge computing to bring data processing closer to the source, reducing latency even further. So Wi-Fi 6 is looking ahead. Wi-Fi 7, also known as 802.11b or extremely high through output, is expected around 2024. It promises further advancements in speed and latency, pushing the boundaries of local markets. तो आज की क्लास में इतना ही. मिलते हैं इसी तरह के इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स के साथ नेक्स्ट क्लास में. थैंक यू सो मच.